Today we're going to talk about simplifying expressions. That's 3.2 sections in the book. So the three key words we want to make sure we understand what I mean. Equivalent expressions, like term, unlike terms. So equivalent expressions are pretty much two expressions. They have same value. So I can say 2x plus y is really equivalent to y plus 2x, right? Or I can say x plus y is really same or equivalent to 2x plus y. So all of these are mutually equivalent or same value. When we talk about like terms, we talk about like, or again, similar or same. Let's do with same. So what I have like terms in the last expression, x, and 2x, they are like terms. They're considered like terms because they both carry value of x. Whereas this y and this y are like terms. So now we have like terms, x, 2x, and we have unlike terms, the different terms. So when we look in, let's see, first expression, 2x and 2x here are same or like terms, and this y and y are like terms. But if I'm comparing 2x and y, they are unlike terms. They're different, unlike. So here's another example. I can have fraction 2/5 x, and then I have maybe 1/5 and 2/5 x. Let's do that. 1/5 and 2/5 x. If I want to add them, I can add them, I can subtract them, I can multiply them, I can combine them. If I'm thinking about combining, it kind of seems like adding. Combine like term means it's adding. So let's add them. These are like terms. Combining them, 1/5 x plus 2/5 x. It just makes sense. That's 3/5 x. Okay? Or I can have maybe expression like 2a plus 5a plus maybe another 2a. I can have minus a. If I'm going to combine all those to have just one term, just like here I have one term, it will be, well, I'm going to use PEMDAS. 2a plus 5a, 7a, plus 2 more a, that sounds like 9a, and then take away an a. I think I'm at a point that's like to say that that's 8a. So I have four terms, 1, 2, 3, 4. I combine them to get just one term. So I kind of simplified it. And that kind of leads into the next word that says simplifying it. Let's simplify. Simplify expression. It's pretty much combining all the like terms together. So if I have something like 2x plus 4y plus another 4x plus 3y. To simplify means put them as the least amount of similar or like terms as possible. So I see that 2x and 4x are like terms. So using associative property, I can say that 2x plus 4x next to each other, and then 4y and 3y are like terms, so associative property says we can put them next to each other. So visually, now I can say, well, now 2x plus 4x, it's 6x, and then 4y plus 3y is 7y. And really, there's nothing else I can do. This is the end, as in I have one 6x and I have one term 7y. They have different variables, so they just have to stay the same, just like that. Nothing further is required. We simplified as far as we could.